Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you a video projector so you can have your own cinema home theater at home. It's the Alfawise A11 mini projector. I'm going to do a little unboxing and tell you about the specs that you can find inside, and you'll see it working as well. So for the unboxing, once you buy it, you'll get this box, and then inside you'll immediately find the instruction manual, the user manual actually right here, very useful. Some cables, component cables, which you will be able to connect this projector to several different devices, TVs, your phone through wireless, computer obviously, even game consoles. So there's a lot of cabling here so you can connect everything you need. The power cable right here. A little screw, I think it's like for the support if you use the projector into a tripod or something like that. So also inside the HDMI cable, let me remove it from the bag so we can actually have a look at it. It comes with some plastic protections, but yeah, this is the HDMI, both, there you go. So obviously HDMI connection for this projector. Also the remote control, a small practical remote control, so obviously you want that, you want to be able to sit far away from the projector, far away from the screen if you want, so you will have the remote to control all the operations inside. Still unboxing, take some foam out, and finally here is the projector, very well protected with a lot of, some protective foam around the device, so if you order it, you'll get it safely at your place. It will be in one piece. Let me remove the box, because this is the last piece of the unboxing. Here you go. Let me move the plastic. Yeah, there you go. The Alfawise A1 projector. Actually, there's a cap here, plastic cap you can use to protect the lens, to protect the, there you go. You can just, there you go, just to protect it. So this is it. It's very lightweight for its size. You would guess it would be a little bit heavier, but actually it's not. It's very light, very sturdy, nice construction materials, and yeah, it looks nice. It looks subtle. So there you go. That's the Alfawise A1 projector. Let's take a look at it all around, all the ports and everything we have available. So in one side we have here the VGA ports, the power connection here, the port, the TV, this is like the TV RF port, so you can connect to the TV, USB port right here, and here you can put your TF cards or TF adapters, so you can put micro SD cards and all that for storage. The Alfawise A1 has 8 GB of storage inside and 1 GB of RAM, by the way, and it runs Android 7, so it kind of has like a TV box kind of UI setup, so you can actually download your apps into the projector and then just directly stream content from the internet, videos and whatever you need. So yeah, in the front we have the lens here, the focus, we have here a little widget here for the focus. On top, power button, menu button, and go back. So when you're using the interface, when you're inside with the projector turned on, you press this button to go back in the menus. Then you have here these standard buttons, up and down, left and right for the volume, all sorts of things, and to control the menus and all that, and enter key in the middle. On the side we have a powerful built-in speaker, very good. You can also use your own headphones. There's like a port here, a 3.5mm port for headphones, or also for speakers or anything like that, or some kind of sound system that can connect through that sort of cable. But if you don't have anything like that and you just want to enjoy the sound from the device, there's a built-in speaker here, so that's a very nice feature. Here an opening, I'm guessing for the fan inside, for the cooling, so it comes out. Also here in the back, the keystone, like another widget right here. HDMI port, so you can connect the HDMI cable, and right here IR and the AV ports. And that's pretty much it as far as hardware goes, as far as the outside of it goes. There's here in the back as well, actually in the bottom, there's 2 screw ports, holes, so you can attach the tripods and other supports, 2 different sizes, a larger one than the other. So if you have the tripods or other accessories to stick the projector high up or lower, this is what you will use for that. Spec-wise, let's talk about the actual specs inside. As I mentioned, Android 7 running inside, 1 GB of RAM, 8 GB of storage, which you can expand with a micro or TF card right here. Also, as I mentioned before, about the actual lens and the focus and the projection itself, the image quality. The native resolution is 480p, but it supports up to 1080p resolution, so that's nice. Consider this is the price is under $100 for this projector, so it's a very, very good price for what it does and what it has inside. Still about the image quality, 2000 lumens, that's for the brightness. Contrast ratio is 2000 to 1. The projection distance is from 1 meter up to 4 meters, so you can put it really close to the wall if you want, or far away up to 4 meters. Now that obviously will change the size of the screen that you will be projecting, which can go from 34 inches up to 130 inches. So you can have a really huge screen if you have the space for that. Finally, but not least, and this is very important, you can also use the wireless functions and the companion app that supports this projector to have multi-screens, meaning you can project through the projector and have also the image in your phone or in your tablet or in your computer simultaneously. That's very, very cool. For all the remaining specs and all the details you may want to know about the Alfawise A11, please check the links below this video. We have everything there, and remember the price, it's under $100. That's very, very cheap in a very good way. I don't like to use the word cheap, but it's a very competitive price for what you get here. You get, I mean, the value for all the functions and everything you can do, it's really great. Like and subscribe. We'll have a lot more projectors at GearBest.com, so check that out, and thank you for watching.